that song about mad, you're mad out. Worse how people been calling me mad, and no, I'm not mad. I'm scared of that song because I don't want that to catch me.
Welcome back to 876 Jamaican Topic. This is Shan. Now, Pastor Francis has this to say about Valiant new release, Mad Out.
My granny used to tell me, say, I know as leaf drop of water but I make rotten. And from the other day, me hear people are sing this song. But I'm mad them are mad out. I'm mad they are mad out. I'm mad they are mad out. Keep prophesying over your life. Keep prophesying that over your destiny. And see if you're not going to heed the reward of your prophecy. People, it's full time we get wise. And you might be looking at it right now and saying, it is only a song. It is only entertainment. But these are the devices and the deception of the enemy. That you're speaking negatively. The Bible said that there's life and death in the power of the tongue. And you take it for nothing. But somewhere along your journey, somewhere in your life, you realize that something start go wrong up here. So remember, say, you did I say, I'm mad, yeah, mad out. People who know wise up, understand the devices and the strategies of the enemy, and he will use just about anything to get you out and to mash you up and to tear you down. People, get wise, speak positively over your lives.
And down below and let us know what you think about what Pastor Francis has to say. Like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.